Tim Skell here, ABB HVACR Application Engineering. We're looking at ACH580 in the custom text concept for configuring safeties. In a previous video, we showed how you can take a pre-canned or predefined list of different safety texts and assign them to a specific safety that's wired into a digital input. Now I'm going to show you even more flexibility you got with the custom text or the label text capability within the drive. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and click on Menu, go into Primary Settings, come on down here to Start Stop Reference where your safeties are located at, come through here to Interlocks and Permissives, and Digital Input 4, factory default is set up for a safety. Today we're going to assume that it's an air handler application. So we've got this description text, which is the pre-canned list. So we're going to go ahead and go with overpressure because this is a high static safety. And then what I want to look at a little closer today is this label text area. So I've already typed out what it would be. I did reset in panel 2A. So what you can do is use the left, right, up, down arrows to type in what you want. But I'll tell you what, if you're doing this on more than one drive, I did this manually ahead of time using the control panel, using the up, down, left, right arrows. It is so much faster if you either use the DriveTune app and do this over the Bluetooth and use the app. So then you can use your iPhone or your whatever phone you've got to type it in. Or if you use Drive Composer Pro and the text editor and you just take your laptop and you hook it into the USB port on the control panel and use your laptop to type it in, so much faster. If you got just one to do, hey, using the up, down, left, right arrows, not a big deal. But if you got places to be, drives to start up, definitely recommend setting this up with the DriveTune app over Bluetooth or with Drive Composer Pro. So after you've used your up, down, left, right, you typed in whatever you wanted to. If you're doing it via the panel, that's now in the label text. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open up Digital Input 4 and let's take a look at what you see. So we had that pre-canned text, overpressure. So I have overpressure is keeping the drive from starting. And then let's say this air handler, it's got that safety in a panel that maybe it's just not intuitive where that safety reset was. So what I had typed in was reset in panel 2A. So that way it makes it easier for the technician who's coming to do troubleshooting to know where that reset button is for that particular high static safety. You can have this message say whatever you want based on what you had put in for the label text right here. There you have it. Using label text to do custom text on an ACH580 to assist with future troubleshooting. A handy little commissioning trick for you to put into the drive to make it easier for the next person. If you have any questions on this or starting up an ACH580, reach out to your local drive specialist or ABB Factory Regional Application Engineer. Thank you.